Hello all! It's quite a while we met. Actually, I was a bit busy in my master's thesis. I always wanted to post some videos. Finally, I'm back with my room tour video. IIT Bhilai has best infrastructure. In terms of accommodation, it's top notch. We have both single sharing and double sharing rooms. Usually, postgraduates get single sharing rooms and undergraduates get double sharing rooms. H404, it's my room and the best place to live. The cleaning of hostel rooms happen once in 2 days. So if there is some urgency of getting clean, we can have the cleaning staff to clean the room, and they are damn good friendly. So in each room we have AC, which is basically centralized AC. The rooms are well furnished with study table and chair. We also have almirah to keep our things, clothes and all the stuffs. We have shelves to keep our daily things and books. The best part is ventilation for every room, which makes living very comfortable. Washing the clothes is a bit challenging task. We have one Wi-Fi router for 2 rooms and we have good Wi-Fi support, but the thing is that there is some fluctuation which should be maintained by the ITIS properly. At present, we get hot water from geysers. The drinking water is RO purified. People can dry their clothes outside the washroom. The washrooms are very well maintained. Inside the washroom, there is lot of space to dance and sing basically. So bathroom singers, it's the best part for you. To get your queries cleared, follow me on Instagram and ping me. You can also follow me on LinkedIn. If you find the video helpful, hit subscribe button and connect with me.